I ask again, did you or did you not buy provisions from this woman?
That woman in there is she's mother.
What? My client has rights.
Just as we have the right to get to the bottom of this matter. If your client is cooperative enough at this stage and helps us retrieve all lost money, it will help her case during the prosecution.
She's showing all this nonchalance, but I don't think she can handle her man being in jail.
My client has decided to decline any further questions. If you have any case against her, charge her. We cannot entertain this charade any further.
So, now that the bullshit is over, can you tell me what is really going on?
You must take responsibility for your actions. Sure. When I got you a job, didn't you tell me that what you get from a man in a day is more than what you get in a whole month?
Enough of all this dark comedy, or is it a horror story?
This is a tactical retreat. But we'll live to fight another day.